you invest $10 million into the latest and greatest security tools, nobody can tell you. Did you become 1% safer, 2% safer, 0% safer?
Now, you mentioned just, a couple of minutes ago that we need to change the language. Let's go down that rabbit hole. Tell me why.
Well, look, you drive a car, you can look at a speedometer and see how fast you're driving. You go to a doctor, you're not feeling well, they might measure your blood pressure.
Mm-hmm.
And cybersecurity, you invest $10 million into the latest and greatest security tools, nobody can tell you. Did you become 1% safer, 2% safer, 0% safer? Like, I'm a scientist. I did my PhD in cryptography at Yale.
Yeah.
So, I believe that best arguments should be based on numbers, KPIs.
Yeah.
You can just say, trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Like, how do you prove that you're doing a fantastic job? How do you hold other companies you do business with accountable? I wanted to really disrupt the space. And when I started speaking to other people in the area in 2013 and asking them, how do you measure, quantify risk when you do business with somebody? Most people told me one of three responses. The first response was, it can't be done.
Mm-hmm.
It's impossible. The second response was, we just use pen and paper questionnaires. We ask them, and then we rubber stamp it. And, the third approach sometimes was that they would use intrusive vulnerability scans, which are point in time, so they give you a snapshot in this particular time, but it doesn't guarantee what's going to happen tomorrow. But the fact that when I told to people in 2013 that there's got to be a way to measure and quantify risk, just like you have credit scores, there's got to be a way to measure, quantify security, and most people gave me a bit of a lukewarm reaction, actually was a great signal to me, because if your idea is obvious to too many people, usually it means you're too late to the game.
Yeah.
So that was kind of like an inspiration. I always want to prove people wrong.
Yeah.
When somebody tells me it can't be done, I want to prove them wrong.
Yeah.
So that really inspired me and said, I got to solve this problem. I got to change how this whole industry operates.